Hello everybody, this is Ranjita. I'm going to teach you CBSE 10th grade mathematics. For that, the first chapter I am teaching is chapter number 8, Trigonometry, Introduction to Trigonometry. Of that, exercises 8.1, 8.2 and 8.3 I have already done with you in my earlier videos. You can go and watch. And now I am doing exercise 8.4 of which first question is already done. Now I will be dealing with question number 2. So let's start. What is the question number 2 of textbook, NCERT textbook, exercise 8.4? Okay, question number 2. Write all the ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. Okay, we have already done the question number first, which was dealing with in terms of cot A. Okay, we have expressed sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. Similar to that, using the formulas I have already told in the last video, using those formulas, or that is identities, we will be converting all other ratios into in the terms of sec A, right? So question 2 in terms of sec A. So first comes sin A, then cos A, then tan A, then cosec A, and then it is cot A. Okay, now first I will try to change cos into sec because it is the easiest. So this becomes 1 by sec A. Cos A is 1 by sec A. Sec A is equals to 1 by cos A. Cos A is equals to 1 by sec A. Clear? Now tan A. Tan A, as we know the formula, 1 plus tan square 1 plus tan square A is equals to sec square A, right? So tan square A is equals to sec square A minus 1. So tan A will be root of sec square A minus 1. Clear? Root of sec square A minus 1. Now tan A is root of sec square A minus 1. Now cot A is what? Cot A is 1 by tan A. So this becomes 1 by root of sec square A minus 1. Root of sec square A minus 1. Clear deal here? Cos A is 1 by sec A. Tan A is equals to root sec square A minus 1. Cot A is equals to 1 by tan A, and this is equals to, this becomes 1 by sec square A minus 1. Okay. Now sin A and cosec A. Now sin A is equals to one minus cos square A. How? You know the formula. It is sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. Right? So, is equals to 1 minus cos square. Right? This formula we have to apply over here. So, this becomes sin square A becomes 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus 1 by, root of this. That is root of 1 minus sec square A. Clear? So this will become is equals to root of sec square A minus 1 divided by sec square A. Clear? Get it? 1 minus cos square A can be written as root of 1 minus 1 by sec square A. cos square A is 1 by sec square A. So sec square A, taking LCM, sec square A minus 1 divided by sec square A, that can again be written as root of sec square A minus 1 divided by sec A. Right? Clear? This is sec square A minus 1. This sec square goes as, I am making it as root on the numerator only. Okay? I am just cancelling this square and root for the denominator sec A. Right? Clear? Now, the rest left out was, this I am writing little up. Tan A is equals to root sec square A minus 1. Okay? Now, what was left out? This is sine, cos, tan, cot and cosec, right? This also we have to express in the form of sec A. Very easy. Cosec is equals to what? 1 by sine A. Right? So, 1 by sine A is equals to what? Just the reciprocal of this sine A is what? This. So, reciprocal of this will give you sec A divided by root sec square A minus 1. Got it? Easy? So, this is how you have to use the trigonometrical identities to get the answer. Clear? Okay. So, this is with this. The question number 2nd of exercise 8.4 is done. Now we will do the question number 3rd. Okay. We have to use the identities in this full exercise. Okay. Now, next is evaluate sine square, question 3rd, first part. Okay. Exercise 8.4. Question 3rd, first part says sine square 63 plus oh, it is sine only. Sine square 27 cos square 73 plus cos square 17. Okay. Just it is 17 and this is 73. Right? This is the question. Cos sine square 63 plus sine square 27 divided by cos square 17 plus cos square 73. Got it? Now, in the earlier exercise, those who have seen the earlier videos, I was continuously telling that whenever these angles are given, if it is not 0, 30, 60, 45, 90, then and also there are angles are given other than those mostly, then you have to check it whether the sum is giving you 90. That is, you have to check 63 plus 27, you are getting 90. Similarly, 73 plus 17, you are getting 90. So, it means you have to apply first the formula of the earlier exercise, that is, out of these you will change 1. That is, you will change 1 as cos square 90 minus theta plus sin square theta divided by cos square. This I will change. I prefer to change the first one always. Okay. So this I will change. This will become sin square 90 minus 70 plus cos square 73. Okay. This I changed to cos square 90 minus theta, and this I changed to sin square 90 minus theta. Okay. So next it becomes cos square 27 plus sin square 27 divided by sin square 73 plus cos square 73. Now this gives you cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. The first identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1 divided by sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. That is, our answer is 1. Got it? So this, whenever you see an angle, you have to put this formula. Please do remember. At least do this much. Then you will get what it is going, or get an idea of how you have to proceed further. Okay? So, yeah, this is the first part done. Very easy. Now we'll go with the second part of question number 3. Okay? Second part of question number 3 says sin 25 plus cos 60 into, right? Sin 25 into cos 65 plus cos 25 sin 65, right? This is second part. This is the question. As I said earlier, 25 plus 65 is 65 plus 25 gives you 90. Right? Right? So whenever you see angle, you have to check for 90. So this 90 means you have to change one of these into cos 90 minus theta or sin 90 minus theta. So this becomes cos. I always prefer to change the first one. 90 minus 25 into cos 65 plus first one I am changing. This becomes sin 90 minus 25 into sin 65. Clear? Right? So this becomes cos 65 into cos 65 plus sin 65 into sin 65. Got it? This is cos 65 into cos 65, sin 65 into sin 65. This gives you cos square 65 plus sin square 65. Okay? So cos square 65 plus sin square 65 will give you answer as 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. This theta and theta should be same. This 65 and 65 should be same. Then only you can get an answer of 1. Okay? Got it? So this is very simple of exercise 8.4. Now the rest questions of exercise 8.4, that is question number 4 and 5, I'll be doing in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.